Tonight on an all-new Ancient Case Files, these are the ultimate cold cases.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Archaeologist Scotty Moore explores the world's forgotten tombs,
Let me get a closer look.
revealing the mysteries of life and death
Look at this.
in the distant past.
This changes everything. There's only one way this could have happened.
Ancient Case Files, all new tonight at 10, part of History and Mystery Fridays, only on Discovery Family.
Astonishing animals, humorous humans, cutting loose and caught on camera. Funniest pets and people, all new, Thursday at 5 on Discovery Family.
Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor, and I'm going to tell you a story about trains, folks far apart, and the magic railroad that brought them together. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas. He's our #1 hero. Hello! But he's running a little late today. This is the island of Sodor, where Thomas and his friends live. It's at one end of my special universe.
Hello, Thomas. Hello, James. Hey, wait up.
I like helping out here. By the invitation of Sir Topham Hatt, of course.